An industrial supply company with roots in Home Depot and a small bank with a big dividend are among the stocks getting a Barron's bounce this morning. Hi, I'm Ben Levison, stocks editor at Barrons.com. With me is Emily Berry from Barron's Next. Emily, one of the stocks that we featured was HD Supply. It's up a little bit over 1% this morning. What's going on there?
Sure. HD Supply was the supply business of Home Depot before it was spun out in 2007. It sells plumbing supplies and other industrial products to contractors and apartment buildings. It's up big this year after the election, but Jack Howe, Barron, thinks it can go higher.
What does he like about the stock?
It could benefit from an infrastructure push under the Trump administration, and it also is cheaper than the market, and it's growing earnings faster than its stock prices go.
That's right, and Jack also pointed out that it was, even though it's up a lot this year, its earnings have been growing faster than the stock price, which gives it some more room to close that valuation gap with the S&P 500. Let's move on to Midland States Bancorp. Now, this was a small bank mentioned in a dividends column by Lauren Strauss. It's up about 1.7% today, but it's not just the dividend that this stock has going for it, is it?
Sure. It's actually a pretty unique community bank. It has a wealth management business, which a lot of its peers don't, and that helps keep its net interest margin a lot higher than its peers.
That's right, and then it's also been trying to grow its business, right?
Right. It just made an acquisition and added $400 million of assets to its wealth management business, and it pays a nice 2% dividend.
And finally, there is a small company called Wins Finance that was created out of a reverse merger. It's a Chinese company that makes loans in a Chinese province. It's down 6.7% today, which is a pretty nice loss until you consider that it's actually up 1,400% this year, despite the fact that it only had $12 million in earnings, which its market cap is something like $3.8 billion. Bill Alper points out that maybe it doesn't deserve all those gains. And that's Barron's Bounce. Thank you.